How to switch to business account on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can switch to a business account on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now switching to a business account is also actually quite simple on Instagram, because all you have to do is open up the Instagram application here. Then just come to your profile page, then just tap on the three lines option from the top right, then just go to settings and privacy. From settings and privacy, if you scroll down over here, you will see different sort of options, where one of the options you will find is account type and tools. So tap on account type and tools, then tap on switch to professional account here. Then all you have to do is just tap on the continue option, tap on continue, tap on continue, and then you tap on continue. Then after that you just have to select any of your describing method. Once done, you can tap on done. Then it will ask you whether you're trying to create a creator account or a business account. If you want business, you can select business, then you can tap on the next option to go ahead and then finish up with the changes. This way you can switch to a business account on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.